Hi, my name is Lee Feinberg, and I'll be at the Marketing Analytics Summit teaching data literacy and visualization, the new big data skills. What we're going to learn in this very interactive workshop where we have games and prizes, we make it a lot of fun. But what you're going to walk away with is a new outlook on what visualization really means. There's a language behind it, and learn how to write better, and then how to actually compose a story line and build that out based on a very specific set of steps that you can repeat over and over again. This class is really for any practitioner who is making reports and dashboards and wants to really change their entire approach to doing that. If they're interested in thinking about how to tell a data story, this is for them. There's no prerequisites. It's not about a particular technology. Think about if you know how to write with Microsoft Word, I'm going to teach you how to write with any type of visualization software. And it's really a transformation that can happen in even just a few hours, where people realize there are things they can do to dramatically improve not only the quality of their visuals, but the way they interact with their organization to understand actually how to create something that's more useful for driving the business, making decisions and taking action, rather than just making a bunch of charts that show data. I hope you can join me at the Marketing Analytics Summit in Las Vegas in June.